Hi, grade 2. It's time for math. And I'm just going to start right off and tell you what you're going to do in your math page today. Today's math page is 201. Now, this page might take you very fast, or you might be able to finish this page very quickly today, as you just need to look at each of these images and imagine them in real life. So imagine this flagpole not as just a little picture in your book, but actually a flagpole in real life. And then it says, what would you use to measure these objects as if they were in real life? And circle centimeter or meter for each one. So flagpole, would you measure that? The height in centimeters or meters? What would make the most sense? The width of your laptop, would you measure that in centimeters or meters? The height of a tree, would you measure that centimeters or meter? The width of a book, would you measure that with centimeter or meter? And how about a jump rope? Oh, I've been using these a lot in our driveway lately. A jump rope, would you measure that with centimeter or meter? Then, once you have done that, I imagine you will do that really fast. Make sure you circle. Choose one of your answers and tell about your thinking. So in a sentence, you would say, I chose to measure a flagpole's height with whichever you want to do, centimeter or meter, because, and then tell why you chose that as your response. Just so you know, you should not circle both. Even if you might be able to measure a flagpole with both, choose the one that would be the best use of your measurement skills. Once you're finished page 201, I would recommend doing the extra extension page today, which is called Centimeter Guess. Now, this is going to help you with your estimating skills today. Now, they have a ruler for you to cut out at the end, at the bottom of the page. This piece of yarn is 5 centimeters long, this one here. They tell you. That's your reference. You can compare this one for the rest of them. Guess the lengths of the other pieces of yarn with this as a reference. This is 5 centimeters long. Then cut out the centimeter ruler below, just as I said. Measure to check your guesses. Okay, so you need to remember that a guess in math is called an estimate. So for each one in this first column, print a guess. So maybe this one you will say this yarn is, you have to make sure to guess something. You wouldn't say 10 million, would you? Well, maybe you might just say that to be silly in class, but that would not be an accurate estimate. This is not 10 million centimeters long. If this is 5 centimeters long, this piece of yarn, this one might be what? Yeah, that sounds about right. So put your guess here. So if you guessed that this is 10 centimeters, you would print the number 10 and then the letter CM after it. Follow through and guess for each one. Then measure each one with the ruler. You don't have to use this ruler if you have another ruler that you prefer at home. Because the page in our math book is pretty straightforward and you could finish it pretty fast, I do recommend that you do this extra page today too. But use your time and be a judgment of how you could best use your time today too. Have a great day, And I think that you are doing a great job. I'm loving to see all of your good work being handed in. I've received most of your math tests, and I'll get that back to you as soon as I can. Have a blessed day,